Ooh, come on, let's go hoop. You wanna go hoop? Come on. Get in. Let's go hoop, man. Sadie, you ready to go play basketball? Come on. There's a court right over there. Looks like somebody's over there. Let's see if they want a little one-on-one. See if she play. Let's play. Hey. Hey, my dog wants to play you. Dog. What are you laughing for?
Hey, because I did it again. Here we go. Sadie. She's like, all right, Mom, it's your turn. 2-1. Sadie's got 2. I got 1. It's Sadie's turn. All right, Sadie.
Did you get it?
No. All right, now it's my turn. All right, you ready? Horrible. All right, I'm tired. Ooh, nice. Sadie's turn.
Air ball.
Mommy's turn. Okay, Sadie, Mommy's missed some too. A whole lot. Duck. We're tied. We are both killers on the basketball court. Who's not Dad? He's got to get in the mix. All right, I'm going to be on Sadie's side. It's going to be Sadie and me versus Billy and Mr. Cat. All right, your turn.
Come on, girl. What you got?
Ooh, impressive.
What you got?
Impressive.
Hey.
Yeah, good girl, Sadie. Good girl. Come on, girl. You can do it. Oh, look at her. Oh, snap. All right. Girl. Come on, girl. We're up. Come on, Sadie. Sadie, it's your turn. It's your turn. Hey, Sadie, come here. Don't run. Don't run. You got the ball, Sadie. Come on. Snap.
Oh, you got it.
Did you see that?
Oh. Try to get me in my face.
What you got? What you got?
Okay.
What you got? What you got, Sadie? Come on, go get that ball, girl. You're supposed to play defense. Or whatever they call it in basketball. You're supposed to be a blocker, Sadie. Yeah, a blocker. You're all going to have to help us with these terms. Ooh, 2 against 0. That was sweet, Billy. You and Mr. Cat doing good. Hey, 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 you're trying to sneak a shot. Give me that ball.
Well, she runs from me. She doesn't run from you.
Come on, Sadie. This is our shot, girl.
Nice.
No sneak shots. That don't count. All right, 2 against 2. I don't know. I lost track of the score.
You pooped out, girl?
All right, your turn. Sneaky shots don't work. Hello, can you go? Good try. I haven't done with that leg yet. All right, left leg. Oh! Right leg. Come on, right leg, work. Ready? Woo! Girl's got moves. Oh! Let's see.
Taking a break, girl?
Nope. Come on, one more. See what you got. Good try, buddy. Good try.
No, I do not. Whew, it's a hard workout right there.
We gotta get our leg moves in. All right, left leg. All right, got the left leg down. All right, right leg. Reflex. Good job. All right, here we go. I kissed.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. William and Mr. Cat is up next. Did that go in?
No.
Okay. Sometimes it's hard to tell. I wear bifocals now. Ooh, good job. Mr. Cat and Billy. I think we're 3-2. These are always my hardest.
Ooh. Yo.
Hey, we got a new wave coming. New wave. Ow! I didn't pass the ball too well. Sadie had to run and get it. See your leg shots. Ooh, did you see that? He's really good at that. Ah, nice! Touchdown! I don't know what they call it in basketball. What do they call it in basketball when you make a hoop?
A basket.
Oh, basket. We found some rocks.
Rocks.
Some river rocks. I'll show you. There's our river rocks. Uh-oh. Evidence number 1. Look at that rock. Isn't that pretty?
Mm-hmm.
I'll show you another rock. Trust me, I got a lot. You're gonna like them.
Supposed to be playing basketball down there at the river.
When you were on your phone, we were finding rocks. So, here's a basketball rock. They do exist. And here's another basketball rock. Almost. Maybe it's a weeble wobble.
Weeble wobble.
But this is definitely a basketball rock. Oh, there it is. Oh, don't break. Look, it's basketball. Oh, that was my weeble wobble. All right, never mind. I got all those rocks.
Nice.
Uh-oh, I dropped one. This is going to count as your shot because I'm holding you. Yes, the same shot.
Air ball.
Good try, Sadie. Good try. Now it's Mommy's shot. So, Billy's got to do a shot with Sadie. That's her shot.
Come on, girl.
Does she make it? All right, this is Billy's shot. See her here, Sadie. You got to be
Let's see
supportive.
if I can get a 3 shot.
Ooh. Good try. Good try. Try again.
There it is.
Good try. Good try.
I gotta get it through.
It's way over there. Way over there. Go get it, Sadie. Go get it. All right, it's coming back to us. All right, it's getting a little louder. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ow!
What's that called?
Backward shot. Oh, try again, try again, try again.
Close. Hey, Sadie, you want a drink? Some dog aid? You want some? Ooh, right there. Some dog aid. You going for the backward shot?
Backward shot.
Ooh, nice rebound.
25 years.
Ooh. Oh! I pooped out. I'm on the bench.
Let's pop a basket.
Sadie's.
Let's pop a basket.
Man, your breast stank.
Woo! Here we go, other leg. Woo! Under the legs.
No, it's called you're locking in. You're locking in.
Professor? What you got, Professor? Come
Oh.
play the courts with us? Have them practicing.
Sit down, dude. chill out for a while. Watch mommy.
That's too far. I gotta get a little closer. Ah, close. I see. Come here. Come here. You lost your collar.
Taking a break. Let's go. Missed.
We're going to redo that one. Ooh, let's see.
Cut. Cut.
She's scared of that ball. Yeah.
Cut. I gotta get the in between the legs. Take 4 or 5, I don't know which one.
We'll go steps in, that's all good.